Super used to.
What are you taking apart?
Taillights for a 67 Cougar.
Do you know why you're taking them apart?
So that way we can give these backs to Christian's dad.
Because he's cheap.
Yep. It's easy being cheap though. Is Christian's dad 67 or 68?
67.
What all was different between the 67 and 68? I know the front marker lights on the
Reflectors. Car make and models. So from a block letter, rectangular shaped Cougar emblem to a cursive stretched emblem Cougar. And the passenger side, then a chassis upgrade, they added a torque box to the passenger side because of the 67 twisted block. They also produced a 68 Cougar with a 302 instead of a 289.
both right in.
Yes.
We have Grandpa's 302 in the barn. Why didn't we put that in there?
Because I have an already built 50 on Windsor that we screw around on, and it got moisture in it, and it seized up. And then we got a 289 bottom end that was really, really good. So we built that.
Oh, right?
Yep.
What is his Mustang?
Yeah.
Have a call.
Complete taillight, one side, $649.89 from West Coast Classic Cougar. The bezels, which these would need to be sent in and replated, are $660.
It's too much money.
These are not worth $600. They're worth probably $100 because they would have to be
Redone.
redone. Take that back. They'd be worth $58.37 because that's how much that one is. So the part we're going for right now is a $50 part that we're looking at. Just to see how it is.
Hopefully, underneath all of this junk, these ones are somewhat nice.
That one seems like it is. A pair of grade B taillights, like what these are right here. They're probably a lower grade B. Going for $233.87 on West Coast Classic Cougar.
Quite expensive.
That taillight panel we cut off of that big black car. $485.87.
Yeah, but
I'm gonna hang it on the fence to make your mom mad.
teacher's gonna watch this video and be like, what?
Yeah, everyone else. Why are you still married?
Divorce is too expensive, right?
We don't have anything to fight over except for house and kids.
You can just
Stay married.
go out later today and finish my power steering pump and my fuel pump.
Yeah.
I have a question about my oil pressure setting. Usually out of a 302, the oil pressure sending unit usually goes straight out of the side of the block, right?
No. Sometimes they do. Usually they have a little thing they attach to.
Well, yeah. With that thing, don't they just go straight out?
Yeah.
Mine does not. Mine goes out at an angle.
That's probably good.
That's what I'm thinking. But if it'll work, I'm gonna leave it.
Yeah.
I don't want to spend money on something if I don't have to. If it's not
Broke, don't fix it.
If the Mustang had a 100% properly functioning fuel pump on it, I wouldn't have even bought one.
No, that one leaks.
Yeah, that's why I bought one. I'm excited to get that thing fired up. What do you have planned for when Mom goes to competition?
Finish the passenger, finish the 63, clean out the garage, maybe go to one action and pick up a Model T.
Yeah, this one's on those two. It's probably corroded on there.
Yeah. Take it out of the garage and spare some W80-40 and let it sit.
Okay, I'll work on this one. Dad is using a hammer on that other taillight right now. To that, or he's doing something with the 63. Never wired a vehicle in my life before, but all I need to do is open up the 55. It's under that. So same exact wire. Yes, I am using a knife to move material, Mr. Boyd. Just for FYI. It's a dull knife, so I don't care. Knife barely cuts hay twine anymore. And also, yes, we are doing this on the kitchen counter. This is not the first time we have had a set of cougar taillights on this counter at all. I think there's been 3 or 4 sets on this counter. Probably in the past year or 2. I'm gonna end this 13-minute video now, and I'm gonna make a part 2 of it.